Hey, what's up? Today I wanted to show you how you can deploy a static website to DigitalOcean for free. I'm going to be using Angular SPA to do this, and we're going to go ahead and check it out. As you can see here, this is the DigitalOcean App Platform pricing, and you can deploy static websites for free, $0, up to 3 websites. The good thing about this is they provide you a global CDN and a bunch of other nice things. You can also hook it up with your existing GitHub repository. I'm going to show you how I do that with one of my GitHub repos here. I'm going to use this CyberChef AI, a static website that I've been working on. And the main difference is I set all the static files to this www. Most Angular applications will set it to a dist location. So if yours looks different from mine, not to worry, just use the dist static files instead of the www. First thing you want to do is make sure you have a DigitalOcean app account, and once you sign in, you'll see the app platform on the top left hand corner here. When you first start out, yours might look a little different here, but essentially all you need to do is go to create an app, and then you want to make sure your GitHub is linked to your DigitalOcean. That might take a little bit of setup. I've already set mine up, but once you get it set up, it should look like this, and then you can select the repository you want to deploy to. So I'll go look for my CyberChef AI application, and then I want to have it look at the main branch. So whenever I merge into the main branch, it will start building the project out. And then the source directories here is where your static files get built to. So whenever I build my application for production, which I do this one right here, it builds it into this www directory where all the static files are. So I'm going to put that right here. Yours might be different. It might be the dist file. And if you're using like React or something, it might be something else. Once you get that set up, you can go ahead and click next and make sure you click this auto deploy. Yep. So now I'm gonna just configure the app. I believe you can just leave it as all of the default settings here. And you can choose the region where you're close to. I'll leave it at New York for now, and I'll just leave it as the Shark app. Since I have less than 3 static websites, it's gonna be $0. And I'll click create the app. Now what DigitalOcean is going to do is it's going to look through the static the static files, and it will start to deploy it. So you can look at the logs here, see what it's building, and if there's any issues. So I'll go ahead and give it some time to build out the project. Okay, so it pulled in my repo. It's finding all the static files, build complete. Believe it's now going to run a deployment. Okay, so the app is live, and I can click on this link to view the app. Okay, so it looks good, but there is one issue here. If I go to another route, I'm going to get this 404 page. So if I try and go to routes in different areas, so you'll notice this if you have a SPA application that it's not going to be able to find the routes. So one thing you can do to fix this is you want to go to the settings tab, and then in this components, you click on your app that you deployed. You scroll all the way down to the custom pages, you edit it, and you add a catch-all. Inside this catch-all, I believe you want to set it to index.html. This index.html should exist inside of your static build. So if I look at the static build here, we'll see that I have an index.html. And the reason why this happens is DigitalOcean is expecting a static file called login inside of your static build. But because I'm using Angular, Angular does some routing in the background. So we're going to let Angular handle that by setting this catch-all with the index.html. So once you add that, Docker is going to build again. And let's check out the logs, see what's happening. Okay, build complete. All right, so the website should be deployed. Let's go ahead and check it out again. I will open up the app and go to sign in. And now we see there is no issue with routing anymore. Anyways, that's the main point of why I made this video, because I got stuck trying to figure out how to get this static website to work with my Angular. Anyways, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you're interested in using DigitalOcean, I'll leave a link in the description for a referral. And yeah, have a good day.